In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Booking.com promo code or coupon code or discount code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and right here at the search box type in Booking promo code. It moves you to that results page where you can find a lot of different websites contains promo codes. You can open up any of that sites, and here for example I got 20 different coupon codes. The first one gives me $25 off at booking.com. I can hit there at more details to get some extra information, and also from here I can tap at show coupon to see the coupon code. Here it is, and now I can tap on that icon to copy this discount code to my clipboard. Then I can move on to booking.com where I can use that promo code before I pay any money. Just enter it in promo code field and double check if this coupon code is applied. If for some reason that discount code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site or another site, and from here tap at show coupon to see the other coupon code and then try to use it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.